Hello, math friends. Today we're going to learn about the Greatest Common Divisor, or GCD. It's a simple way to find the biggest number that divides two numbers equally. Let's start by understanding what a divisor is. A divisor is a number that divides another number evenly. For example, the divisors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. That means each of these numbers can divide 12 without leaving a remainder. Now let's find the divisors of 16. They are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. These numbers divide 16 perfectly. Next, we look for the common divisors, the numbers that divide both 12 and 16. For 12 and 16, the common divisors are 1, 2, and 4. Finally, we choose the greatest of these common divisors. The largest number that can divide both 12 and 16 is 4. So, the GCD of 12 and 16 is 4. Let's review. To find the GCD, you need to list the divisors of both numbers, look for the common divisors, and then choose the biggest one. Easy, right? Great job, math wizards! Keep practicing finding the GCD, and we'll see you next time for more fun with math.